Morning, this is Gracie Opulent, and I am going through menopause. Just want to share you my menopause diet. Everything on my YouTube and on my social media and on my blog is me experimenting my menopause coping mechanisms, and the diet is very, very important. Turmeric, 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 ginger, garlic, pepper, caper peppers, Thai veggies. I'm in Thailand. I buy broccoli. I don't know why, it just looks good. And it's grown here. We've got mint, coriander, lemongrass. I mean, look at this. Gone to the market. Look at this. Woohoo! Bananas, passion fruit, mango, right? And have a look at the veggies, the carrots, and just gorgeous. Make sure, Gracie's top tip, that you wash this in water, because it's not organic. You know, here in Thailand, they chemically grow a lot of things. Unfortunately, it is what it is. And I got my shrimp, fish. Fiber, fish. Got my juice, that was strawberry today, seeds, turmeric, everything. And look, I'm a cooking. Look at that. Aubergine, everything. Here, broccoli, turmeric, just everything. Look at that. And fresh coconut milk, right? Not from the bottle. I go to the market and they just get the coconut and they turn it into milk. How amazing is that? And these are little champignons. They're really nice. A lot of lime. Got inflammation in the right ankle. For the life of me, I'm trying everything. So, ginger, coconut oil. Today I'm going to put my feet in lime, endless lime. I'm in Asia. I'm in Thailand. I'm ceasing the low budget gems. So all of this, what did it cost me today, all of this? Maybe €12, 15 pounds. That's, and then look, I'll show you my limes. That's including all my limes. That's including, look at the aubergines. These, Thailand, parsnip, how's that? Right, and that's including the potatoes and the onions, right? This is my bamboo IKEA kitchen. You can find out, put in IKEA and why I went IKEA here on the island of Koh Samui, why I opted for bamboo. So just showing you my lifestyle, but look at that. Peppers, like a bay leaf, a Thai bay leaf. Oh my, look at that. Bean shoots. Oh, chili. Oh, yummy chili. Garlic, ginger. And the mint. Look at that mint. I put that mint in all my juices again. Wash. There's my water. Wash everything. It's important you wash everything. Here's my little crusher garlics. Fantastic. Turmeric, pepper, brown rice. What a menopause diet, right? Juices, mango, passion fruit, banana, anything in season. Fantastic. And then I've got, these are all pastes, organically made. I buy in the market. Notice I bring my own tubs, less plastic. That's the fresh coconut they've just done for me this morning. Fantastic. This is my daughter, ginger and turmeric. She says it's great for acne. Her skin looks great. And then I have my little, this is great for inflammation. Just rub it in. But I've got so many wellness, organic coconut oil. I drink it, I eat it, I put it all over me. I shave with it. Look at here. Just letting that all simmer. Oh, and then I'll throw some shrimps in and I'll have that for a breakfast. Right? Isn't that just divine? And I'll throw them in last minute. This is Gracie's menopause diet. And cinnamon. Look at that cinnamon. I have a different cinnamon, but I love the look of this. This is my wellness. So I just put this together. This is from Chiang Mai, beautiful wood. And I just put in the cinnamon. That over there, have a look at this. This is a ginger in it. I put it on my frozen shoulder. Look at everything. I'm going all organic, trying things differently, including my stick-on nails. Look at that. Frozen shoulder, stick it on my neck. Really helps. It smells wonderful as well. I'm very blessed. I've got my lava necklaces and bracelet for hot flushes from Grace. I don't know if I'm suffering hot flushes because I'm always damn hot here in Asia. But look, my menopause diet. Look, isn't that gorgeous? Look. Oh, best peppercorns ever. Ginger, garlic, pea snaps, carrots, capers. I mean, look at the beautiful little baby of that. And then I'll throw in some of these. Apparently they're very good for you. Lemongrass and lime. Stick that curry when I'm bathing. Coriander. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. And then this is like a bay leaf, a Thai bay leaf. Very good. Can't go wrong. This is my menopause diet. And as I said, everything's first-hand experience, what works for me. And sharing is caring. Do you know that the pharmaceutical companies, anyone researching on menopause, target women at 35 to 45. Most money is in women still fertile. Women in 50s, when you get your menopause, it's important that we pioneer and share what's working for us because they're not doing us any justice. There it is. And mint tea, juice, that's my juicer, a little baby juicer, fantastic. They do juices here in Asia, always say no sugar, no sugar, no sugar. They love their damn sugar. Right, and then we've got the brown rice. Again, welcome to my IKEA life, my IKEA kitchen, my IKEA pots. Just do it, because if anything goes wrong, have a look on my YouTube. Beaupart, the green IKEA nightmare kitchen. Right, and there it is. Just recapping, look at that diet, and then I'll swim. Go over to my pool. I'm going to be swimming there later for my inflammation of my knee, my right ankle. I did an injury. I'm finding injuries are taking a lot longer to heal. Broke my toe just getting up from, like, let's say a lounge. So the osteo, really what I do now is important. IKEA lounge, IKEA shelves, IKEA TV cabinet. This was a Thai lamp and I put an IKEA rope art lantern. They're my Vietnam lanterns if you're going to Hoi An. And then I mix it with a little bit of Thai art. IKEA, I do it. It's in Bangkok. Things go wrong. Then it's easy to replace. That is my IKEA table. I know there is nothing Asian about my little townhouse. But in saying that, have a look at this acacia wood table. Designed it myself. Gold. They're my IKEA chairs, rope. Interior design is huge in Asia, so I use these as indoor and outdoor. And this table is just stunning. Look at that. 6 weeks to make. Chiang Mai. It's my working desk. I absolutely adore it. Got my bamboo bags. So this is my menopause life, right? This is what also helps me through the day. There's my IKEA kitchen. We're still almost finished. Going to do a nice design wood next week. Finish that off. Back to the menopause diet. Bamboo chili, garlic, ginger, bay leaf, coriander, lemongrass. Look, fresh peppercorns. They are delicious. Carrots, lime. We've got banana, mango, passion fruit, fresh mint, mint tea. We've got brown rice. I can show you that. I mean, there's endless rice. If you're in Asia, keep everything tubbed up, or bugs will get it, or it will get ruined. My IKEA drawers, I opted for that. You know why? I don't like to bend down anymore. In my 50s, love the double drawers. Overkill, but the trend now in Koh Samui is long-term tenants. A lot of people, digital nomads, moving to Thailand to change their life permanently. A lot of Europeans have moved here because they've had enough of Europe, Russians and Ukraine for obvious reasons. So very multicultural. My Acacia table, teamed it with these beautiful IKEA indoor outdoor chairs. Got a couple out there. IKEA table, it's just metal, easy to clean. So when I'm renting out, it's a high standard. Went for a nice camel colour for the sofa. IKEA camel colour for 2024. Have a look on my YouTube. IO Park in Oxfordshire. Everything camel this year. While this is already nearly a year old, I'm way into the trend. And so far very happy with the furniture. The legs on this is a bit fragile, but because it's IKEA, they will replace it. Nothing broken yet, but when I start renting it out, renters are not going to look after things as well. Latest fans, latest air conditioning, cut my electricity bill by 60%. And good quality appliances help. It's my coffee corner. And then we've got my shrimps. Welcome to my menopause lifestyle. Make sure that you share what's working for you. And at the core of it, turmeric. Put it in anything and everything. Inflammation killer. There it is. Thanks for your time.